Alright, you're welcome. So today we are going to look at how we can create a blog that can be accessed by anybody, anywhere, so far as the person can connect to the net. So we are going to use this site, that is the 123 free site builder. There are a lot of them, but this one is pretty good. So after you click on the site, you have to sign up, then they will send you a mail, you activate it, you come to this interface. So here the group here simply means if you have or if you'll be creating multiple websites, then you create a group and you name them so that you can group them according to what you have. So let's click on create new website. Now this interface is asking you what kind of site do you want to create. Is it a business or what? There are quite a lot of them, but we are interested in blog. Then if it is a blog, you have to give it a name. So let me say, then the group here, I'll put it in this group FN, then I'll click on open. Alright, so this is the template that they're giving to us. This is the site name. Then they have some dummy text that we have to edit. So in the next session, we will go over all the interface here so that we'll be used to and know where and what to do. Great, you're welcome back. Now let's move on to the settings. So let's go to the website name. So this is the name that has appeared here. Let's assume that when you were typing, you made a mistake, you can change it here. Now we have a logo. Since this is a free site, you can't have both. Either you use the logo so that the logo will appear here, or you use the name. So you choose one. Now the favicon. The favicon is the logo of the company. When you are browsing, you will see the favicon when you are using a computer. So this is the favicon for Google, then the favicon for sites 1, 2, 3. So once you are using free, you can use it. Now back to settings again. Let's move on to website type. So we have two. We have the single page and the multiple page. Select the multiple page so that when someone click on any of the menus here, it will open in a different tab like you have on top here. So let's go to the settings again. Then the country is where you are. You set the time and date. Now the colors. So this is the blue one. If I change it now, let me go down so that you see it. The colors normally take effect on the icons and something like this. So let me check this one so you can see that has changed. Then the fonts. Which font do you want to use? Down the header. So the header in when you visit any website, the page that you visit, it has three parts. We have the header, the body, and then the footer. So what you are seeing down here, that is the footer. And then right after the footer, when you scroll up, all these are part of the body. So you get to this side. Now where we have the name and all the menus here, that is what we term as the header. Great. So do you want to show phone number on the header? If yes, you just check yes and automatically it will take effect. If you have the email, you want to show it, the email icon will be there. You want to show location, that's not important. Now you have social network, that is sharing. Do you want to show all the social media stuff there? If yes, you only see the share icon. Then when they click on it, the various options. Now the rest are paid ones, so let's move on. Then the footer is here. So we want to use the floating contact. As soon as I click on it, it will pop up here. That's the envelope here. And then the floating share icon, that one too will pop up. So now that we have finished with the here, when you come to the mobile, that is, it will display how it will look like on the interface. The last one is the structure. So which one do you want? Do you want something like this? You just click on it. This is the one you selected. So that is the one that so that is a quick overview about the interface. Now when you want to edit, you can edit it right away, or I'll also show you the next session how you can edit it. Now let's change the name here. It's not travel with us, so we said it's entertainment. So if you want to change the font, you can also change it. Now whatever you want, you just click on it. It will give you the options, then you can do it. When you are done, click outside, it will be active. So I don't want this one to be there. When you hover your mouse on it, you can delete it. Great. So in the next session, we will look at how we can edit the content, that is the page, the post on our blog here. And then we also look at how we can do some few adjustments to that structure. Great, you are welcome. So now let's move on to the pages. Now, like I said in the previous session, you can edit everything here, but normally when you come here, it's easy for you to edit it here. Now we have only two items on our home page. That is the blog and then the contacts. We have to add some. You, the blogger, you have to add about you. So click on new. So this is the about us. Which one do you want? You can also search it here, the about. I think this one will not be bad. Always the contact is the last one, so click here and bring it up, and then let's go to the blog, click on edit. So these are the posts. If you want to edit any post, come here, click on edit. Great. So this is what we are going to edit. Now this is the picture that people will see on your site, the display picture. So if you want to just select and then write whatever you want to write. So if you want to add your text, select, then you put in your text. Now let's come to images so that you can reduce it. You can also make it 25. If you don't want it, the change is there, just change it. Choose image from your system, or if you have a link, the picture is at a different website, you can put the link there. So that is how you add your images. Now let's assume that you want to add another title. It's here, header. So new header, you put whatever you want to put there. Now you want to add a picture is here. When you click on it, it will give you default. Let me say 50. You can also, when you are typing, you can use bulletin. Good. Now you can also add video. So if you do, this one is a default one, click on change, then you select the video, you upload it. So this is how you edit existing one, or if you want to create a new post. Great. Now if you want to insert a table, it's there. So this is how it will, you will see your post on both phone and computer. Now when you are done, come to this side. This image is very important. Click display image. So let's say I'll upload, because we are talking about dancing, so whatever picture is here, it must correspond to whatever you are saying. So just locate where your pictures are, then you upload them. You can also select some from the site media library, but it's better you design your own thing. Now the tag here, we are talking about dancing, so you can just say dance. Then when you click on the entire, now here we have a short description, so you can write just a brief description concerning your post. So once you finish like this, all that you have to do is come here and click on save. Alright, so you can see that now so you see the dance that we talk about, the tag, you see that when you save it, it is here. So let's assume that you've added a lot of them, it will show. So that is how you can edit a post. Now on a blog page, when you have a lot of posts, it makes the blog nice. So I will duplicate this one. Now when you duplicate, see it has copy here, make sure you change everything. I will just duplicate. I want the site to have a lot of posts. So let's assume that when you come here, you don't want the prototype post that you want to edit. You can click on add new post. Then you add a title, images, video, and what have you. You select your images, you add your tag, and then you are done. So that is how it also works. This is about you, the blogger. So you just put your picture here, and it's here, you can edit it. So let's look at something here. When you come here, click on this setting icon. When you click on it, see show on header. So because this one is a blog, there's no need for us to show it on the header, and then we don't want to show it on the footer too. So just click somewhere. The about is okay, the about is okay, it should be there. Contact, it should be there. Now the home, there's no need for us to click on home, so let's take the home also from there. Alright, so we are done. Now let's look at the blog, the template. So you see, this is how it looks like, the template. Look at this side and change it. So I think you select this. Okay, so that one will be up, then the rest will be down. Now we don't want this thing to show blog. Why? Because the page is a blog already. So you can just click and say trending or anything you want to. So the blog is ready. Now you know that we can also add Google Map to this. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's go to the pages again. Now the map is integrated in the contact us. So this one that they've given to us, click on the team, and then this is the one given. We want the one that has map, so you just select this, and then automatically great. So the map has now been integrated. So all that you have to do is a person will fill the form, click on it and see. Now you can see that we have these things here. When you come to the page, I said I prefer editing it from here about the contact us. You click on the edit, the details are here, email, everything is here, short description, everything. This will lead us to how we can add social media links. So here, see the social details. Let's click on the drop down. In your case, maybe it will be off, so just activate it. Manage social. So when it comes here, it says you do not have any links. Click on add. Now you see this is the template it has given. So if you copy anything that does not follow this one, it will not accept it. So I've just copied it. Facebook/. Let me add my name there. Then you click on updates. You click on, if it is plenty, you add them. You click on save. You click on another save again so that it will appear on your site. Great. So you've seen that the Facebook, the icon has appeared here. So that is how we add or we edit the blog. Now let's come to another page, add another page also, and then let's search for, let's say, social media. So great. So when you come to the page, if you have a portfolio, you can add gallery, you can add team. Do you have a team that you are working with? When you click on it, you select the ones you want, then you edit it. So whatever you want to, maybe testimonial, depending on what the blog is about, then you can also do everything. Here it's pretty easy. So we are done. That is how you can create a blog. And then, so now that we are done, let's see how people can access it. One more thing, we didn't change the background image. We are talking about entertainment. So let's click on the background here, then change image. Let me go to the image library, then let me search for entertainment. I'll click on this. Good. Our entertainment blog is what? Ready. Always make sure that the image you use as your home page image should be of good quality, because it talks a lot about whatever you have on your page. The pictures must be appealing. So you can see this picture that I inserted. It's very nice. And even the prototype ones, that the ones they use, you can see that it's really nice. Now when you are done like this, click on publish. Yes. Now ideally our blog is supposed to have self-entertainment blog, but we are not having that because we are using a free site builder. Now you can see here, so this is our link, that is the domain. So when we click on this, so this is the link. When we click on it, this is the page that people will see. Now in website design, we have two parts. We have the front end. So this is the front end, what people will see. Whatever we did behind there, people will see it here. And then when you come to this side, this is the back end, where you, the developer, you put in a lot of things. So whatever you put here and you save it, people will see it here at the back, at the front end. Now this is our link. So when you are done and you want to go back to your dashboard where you started from, click on this and then return to dashboard. Alright, so this is your dashboard. Now when you come here, you see everything, comments, messages that people have sent when they fill the form. Now when they fill the form, the site, the email you use to register, they will send you that person's details so that you can follow up. Now because we are using free sites, the storage is only 250. So when you exhaust it, you can't put any video there again unless you buy their premium plans. So that is it. Now this is your link. When you send this link to someone, because it's made up of numbers and other things, they might not click on it. So let me show you quickly how you can change this one to a short link that people will click on it, and then it will take them to your blog or whatever. So let's copy the link, copy link address, then let's go to this website, bit.ly.com. When you come here, just scroll down and then you see where it says shorten your link, paste it there, click on shorten. So you see our numbers plenty numbers that shorten it to this. Now you see, anytime someone see the HTTPS, it means that there's security, hypertext transfer protocol. The S stands for security. So let me copy it, and now this one, when you share it, anyone who click on it, it will bring them straight away to your website, your front end. That is what I mean. Great. So it's here. Good. Now the good thing is, any changes you make here, when you edit and you make any changes, the moment you click on publish and you save it, whoever is on your site will see the new changes. So you end here, and then in the next session you look at how you can create an NGO website. So stick and stay. Thanks for watching. In case you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. You know that subscribing helps the channel to grow. And then if you've already subscribed, then thumbs up, share, comments, and then it's good to have you back. It's bye bye for now.